Stop by and take a look at 2021 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.